That's right. You're damn right I did that. 8 down. 8 down. 8 profiles. You hear him? You hear him? He's trying to talk smack on me and Cletus. What is he talking about? That was the highlight of the show. He got a little haywire. I'm not going to let somebody take me out like that. Not going to happen. I'm never going away, Pat D's. Matter of fact, this show's going to go into watching Pat D's. We're going to watch Pat D's videos. We're going to make fun of them the whole damn time.
I know, can you guys hear that okay? How are we doing, everybody? Thanks for stopping in. Let me know. This is a little bit of a test here. I didn't know if I could stream to 2 YouTube channels at once. I know I've seen people do it with Facebook and YouTube at the same time, but I'm not sure if you can stream to 2. I know what I'm trying to do is push the one channel, Money Me. In the link above is the check out that channel over there. So I'd appreciate it. Give me some idea if you guys heard that introduction, because it's it's funny because when I did that, oh, it just mutes me for not being able to talk in the background. So no, that should have been good. So let's do our. Okay, that should allow a little bit more people to come in. Hey guys, what I'm trying to do here, and I'm only going to talk. The reason I'm going to talk about eBay stock on this channel, on the reselling channel, Pat D's, is because obviously a lot of us who follow these type of channels are all resellers. So I thought I would talk about eBay came out with earnings after the bell. But real quick, let me say hello to a couple people. Stephen, thank you for stopping. John Jones. If you guys could do me a favor in the link, go over and what I'm going to do actually is when I get to 1,000 subs, if you guys are watching on Money Me, when we get to 1,000 subs on Money Me, I'm going to give an actual viewer, a subscriber, a free stock, not just stock certificate, but ownership in a company, and we'll do it like a random thing if they make a comment. So, hey, Dave, long time no see, buddy. Thank you for stopping in. Beth, Reseller Rowboat, thanks for stopping in. Disney Nate, hello, son. How are you? But I wanted to talk about basically eBay and what is going on. And if you guys are watching over at Money Me, you guys give me a thumbs up. I'm not sure. I'm not watching the broadcast, but eBay is hitting all-time highs after the bell came out with revenues and profits. Oh, thank you. I appreciate Talbert's mom. Thank you for listening. And if you guys get a chance, in the description of the link above, you guys could subscribe to my other channel. I'd greatly appreciate it, because what I'm trying to do, when I first started doing this, I was doing LPs and talking about stocks. And the problem is, being a reseller, it's hard to always create content on this channel, especially if you're a little bit more leaning towards Amazon. So I'm trying to, I'm getting back into doing, I still sell on eBay. I mean, I sold like 3 or 4 things this past week, but, mostly the majority of my stuff is selling on Amazon. I did sell some stuff last night on T and Donna's, Auctions for You channel. And I sold some brand new Mossy Oak stuff on there. But I wanted to talk about eBay, since a lot of us sell on eBay, and basically let you guys know about my other channel called Money Me, where on that channel, I talk about things. Are we serving dinner? No, not tonight, Schreiker, but thank you for stopping. You sold 32 items. Oh, that's good job. Good job. That's my older son. Hey, Dave, what's up? How you doing, buddy? Thank you for stopping. Basically, this video is going to talk about eBay, because we're resellers on this channel. But what I'm trying to do at the same time is promote my other channel, Money Me, where I'm broadcasting over there also, and talk about basically what's going on. eBay has had a great quarter. eBay gave revenue and profit forecast that topped analysts' estimate in the last quarter, the holiday quarter, October, November, December. They did a record amount. They are now up to the active buyers are up to 185 million active buyers, and they did 2.9 billion. Now 2.9 billion, and that's what they did in revenues, but the sales actually was 27 billion across the board with all the sellers. Um, so that's what was done in gross revenue. So I actually own some eBay stock, and if you guys follow eBay, they spun off their StubHub, and they have a business venture that they own in Korea that they're looking to sell. So they're really trying to concentrate on the business of having the platform selling on eBay. But they said that more people because of the pandemic are selling on there. And how's everybody doing with your eBay sales? If you guys could put in the chat. I'm not sure how long I'm going to be live here, and this ain't going to be like a 2-hour live. This is basically just an update, talk about eBay, promote my other channel, and basically see where we're at. But I want to share this with you real quick. Let's share this screen. This is the eBay stock, and you can see here that really pretty much since July, it's kind of been in this channel. I don't know if any of you guys invest or not. This is why, again, the only reason I'm talking about it here on this channel is that, we're resellers, but going forward, any time I talk about any other stocks or money, real estate, CDs, and stuff like that, I will talk about that on my Money Me channel. Hey, Arthur, thank you. I really appreciate you stopping in. I'm really glad to see you, and you've been making comments on my videos on Money Me. So I really appreciate that interaction that you're showing. All my money's in Christmas trees. Well, see, Craig, you should have bought eBay. I actually got into eBay. I manage Disney Nate is in the account, and I manage his 401k for him. And we bought in at 51. After hours, the stock hit almost 65. Okay. Hey, Junebug. And I'll be jumping around a little bit of conversation as I see people coming here, because I always want to acknowledge and say hello. Hey, Mr. Pat D's. Wanted to let you know my grandboys fought over that hoodie, even though one wears a small and one wears a medium. Well, I thank you. I appreciate it. Amazon seller 9. Hey, Pat, eBay's have been down this month, but Amazon sales have been up. You had eBay since, well, maybe you've had Craig. So I bought in at 51, and I thought it was going to hit 61. It hit 64, like 70 in after hours. So that is obviously it's going to be an all-time high. It's up 10%. Now, obviously, that's after hours. Who knows what can happen overnight? I'm hoping it stays up because we own options in it. So we have some contracts for 55s, and so that gives us the right to buy the stock at 55 and sell it whatever it is. So tomorrow, I basically should have a 120% return. So. And Junebug, you said they're actually saying that the sales are actually right now are trending up. So I'm not sure. Obviously it depends what people are selling, and maybe this past week with the snowstorm. Hey, Adam, thank you. Does anybody want to feature? Hey, Craig, are you working? If you want to come in and chat with me, let's say for 15-20 minutes. Let me put the link there. I'm not sure if you're working right now, sir, but let me put the link there. You're more than welcome to come in, and I'm willing to also, if people want to put in their eBay stores in the I could feature that. And oh, okay, you're working right now. Okay, not a problem. Yeah, eBay was up to eBay after hours was up to, let me put in, that was when I was looking at silver. eBay after hours was up to $64. You can see right here, post market, that means aftermarket, $64.10. So it's going to hit an all-time high. Basically, the options that I bought options that were $2.50 about 5-6 weeks ago. I just had a feeling that it was going to break out. Boy, I've been kind of nervous because if you see here over the past, it's been up, it's been down, it's kind of been, and as it goes down, and somebody downgraded it the other day, it had dropped, and I was like, oh man, I'm hoping these don't expire worthless. So I am going tomorrow. Those 2,000. I should make honestly about $5,000 tomorrow in eBay alone, just on the options contracts. Now I won't be greedy. Probably technically the stock may probably hit 70 soon, and then obviously pull back some. But it's basically now going to hit an all-time high. Let's pull up a weekly chart here. Oh, let's pull up a monthly chart. This is going back since 1999. You could see. Back in 2005, and then it dropped down to, 2009 here. Man, $4. You could have got the stock in, and you could see over, really since 20. It like a lot of the pandemic stocks, it dropped in March, April, and then just shot up there. But over the last really 6 months. I think honestly, the driving price for eBay is just basically it's a cheap stock compared to a lot of other companies at what it trades at, and it's fundamentally it's not a big grower, but it's a steady grower. So it's got a lot of cash on hand. It's been selling off assets, so it's not growing at the rate that Amazon was, because Amazon got involved in so many businesses. But at the same time, I mean, we as a family, and like I said, my son Disney Nate, who I manage his account, we are now looking at a 40% return in just a couple months. So, Lassen, man, thank you for coming. You're from Norway, if I remember correctly. Thanks for stopping in. Does anybody want to feature their store here? Let me know, and we could put it up there. Disney Nate, let's let's do that. Let's go to eBay. I'm gonna get back, and that's where on this channel I'm gonna do more reselling and more reselling videos. Oh, you put yours in? Okay. Steve, where is it? Let me see. Oh, you probably don't have, because you don't have a wrench. It's not in there, Steve. Craig, are you there? You can hold on. Let me pull up YouTube on the other, and let me, if we can help somebody out. My buddy Dan on another channel has kind of been highlighting that too, and I've been seeing people kind of going over and checking out other people's stores, and that's always nice to support one another. So let me see if we can give me you put yours in too. Oh, why don't I see it? Hold on a second, guys. Junebug. I don't see it. Maybe because links might be blocked unless you have. Okay, let's do this. eBay. No, that's not true. Alabama Pickers, you have you know what it is? I might have set it up that you can't do links because of people putting maybe sites that are inappropriate or stuff like that. So let me feature, like this is my son's Avoca Nate. So let me see how that looks in there. We'll get this fixed, guys. Yeah, it's probably because of the Right, right, right. So I don't know how, and this is an experiment because I'm doing this on two channels. Hey, Dusty, would you want to come in and just um, no, no, I'm actually streaming this out to my Money Me channel and Pat D's. Would you want to come in and just kind of bullshit for a little bit? I mean, if you're eating dinner, I understand. I could throw the link up there. Just kind of breaks up. But this is my son's, my oldest son's store. You could see the link there. Let me. I can't. You're driving and you have diarrhea. Oh, okay. Okay. Well, let's see. June bug. We sell more from your girlfriend's page. Let's see. Actually, I want to figure out how do we look up. How do we look up? Oh, is it advanced sellers? I haven't done this in a while as far as looking up. Oh, sellers only show items from sellers. Junebug, put in your what's your store seller ID? Let's see if we can figure this out. If someone could put in our let me, I want to figure this out. Enter seller's user ID. Is this the, am I doing this right? The easiest way to look up other stores? Oh, Dusty. So let's figure. Let's see if we can. I actually like to do a channel one day. Maybe we could, feature 5 or 10 channels and kind of just, just chit chat and see what you sell. Right now I only have about 180 listings, and I haven't added nothing new because we've been setting up down here. But we are going to. I have plenty of stuff to sell, so we're going to get in there. Mine is S&S Bargain Barn. Okay, let me, if I type that in. And guys, if I'm not typing this in the right spot, just let me know. That's why if Craig or Dusty were here, they could kind of maybe, especially Dusty, because he really knows a lot about this. Only show items. So let me see if that works. Hey, Heather. No, it's not coming up. Thanks for stopping, Heather. Google search it probably. Mine posted, but the link isn't live. Okay, hold on a second. Let me see what we can do. Hey, Mike. Thank you. Thanks for stopping. You know what? eBay S&S Bargain Barn. If you guys are coming in, I'm actually streaming this. Oh, here we go. I'm streaming this live to both my channels. eBay came out with their earnings. I don't know if I could. Hey, Lego Man. What's up, buddy? We're supposed to do some sort of interview around the 15th. So I think this is it. S&S. Is this you? S&S Bargain Barn? That should be you. So let's check out. He's got 213 results there. Hey, thanks for. And I'll pull yours up too, Junebug. Thanks for stopping. So what I'll do is I'll pull this up. What I want you guys to do, if you get a chance, and again, I don't want to talk about stocks on this channel. The only reason I'm talking about eBay stock is being resellers. But go check out my Money Me channel, and when we get to 1,000 subscribers, we are going to give out a share of stock, random to somebody. Rob, that's a good question. I can't see any of the comments that you're reading out loud. Oh yeah, because you might be, if you're on Money Me, maybe you're. I'm not sure, because I stream this again. This is an experiment. I'm not sure if I go live on Money Me, honestly, because I only have 181 subscribers over there. I'm not going to get much of an audience, so I might as well, try to talk to you guys. And since it was eBay related, come over and see me there. But okay, let me address this question real quick. Hey, Pat, I bought eBay calls right before the close that shot up, and the stock shot up 10%. It was a 60 call. Do you know how much I would make from there? Okay. Well, the stock is if the stock if you paid, let's say, I think they were $2. So if the stock is $64 tomorrow, that should be a double. So you would sell them for $4 tomorrow. Basically, they had to hit 62 to break even to be in the money. So now you'll double your money. So he's over. He's over. Apparently, Dusty is over on my Money Me channel. And again, this is an experiment. In the future, when I talk about stocks and things like that, and I will talk about it on the Money Me channel. But I want to create content every day, but it's tough to do it always on one channel, and I don't want to have people that are not interested in the market talk about them. But okay, Keith, thank you. Now, basically my Money Me channels, it's not monetized because I don't have 1,000 subscribers. You could say what qualifies you to talk about it. I yes, I am, Craig. It said I could, but I'm not sure what that will do or how that works. Um, I made that decision about 40 minutes ago to kind of test that out. It said that you could do it. Okay. And basically, I've been, doing stocks and options for the last 20 years, and I'm a landlord, and I've been a business owner, and obviously doing the eBay now full time and Amazon full time, and so I have a lot of knowledge that I want to share with really just the everyday person, not looking to sell nothing. Where sometimes some of these bigger channels are, hey, give me $40 a month, and you know, and we'll tell you the stocks, to buy and things like that. So it's just basically a common sense everyday guy approach to it. So yeah, I'm streaming to both channels. So let's get back to this SNS Bargain Barn. Here's his store, and this is Steven who's in the chat. Let me highlight Steven. If you guys want to check it out, and he's got 213 results. Is yours a store or no? It doesn't look like it's a store. No, because it doesn't look like it's a store. He's got DVDs, hats, cameras, slides, coolers, belt buckles, games and puzzles, underwear, vehicle parts, knives. Let's click on knives. Let's see what kind of knives he has. Lot of 8-foot cutlery knives. So if you guys are looking for, it's nice to do this to support your fellow reseller instead of honestly going to Walmart all the time. And so if you guys want to check out his store, SNS Bargain Barn. So let's type in Junebug. Yeah, of course. No one ever talks about what they're saying. I can tell you right now, there's times I've lost $5,000. There's times I've gained $10,000. Ultimately, what you want to do is, in the long run, is go ahead. I always use the analogy, of playing poker. You can't focus on the losing hands. You got to focus on the pots that you win big and just move on. So there's another guy I follow on Twitter that really he says what even and he uses a sports analogy a lot too. He says how many teams talk about their losing games. They really talk about the best games and their winning games. Can you purchase stocks with digital currency? I'm not sure, Arthur. Not sure. So it's a starter store. All right, let's pull up Junebug. Where was Junebug? Junebug. Her name is Bugaloo Shop. So let's eBay, Bugaloo Shop. So let's see if that pulls up. It says you don't have no items for sale. Is that right? Let me see. Is it? Oh yeah, this is you. Let's see what other items. Yeah, you have 196 items. See, now it's weird because on the Google search, it said you only had but. Hey, Mr. Sadie, thank you. Thank you for stopping by, sir. Basically talking about the eBay stock. They have 185 million active buyers now. She's Junebug. You got a lot of toys on here and stuff like that. So let's go kind of through real quick. She has a store. Does she have a store? I don't know why that's not clicking. Yeah, sure. Let me do that. Thank you, Talbert's mom. I appreciate that. Mr. Sadie, thank you for. Actually, one of the stores, my youngest son has a store, says now that they haven't put me on managed payments yet, but they have on. They're trying to do it on that store. So, TV, movies, and video game action figures. Oh wow, let's see what she got here. Star Wars, Funko Pops, Star Wars episode. So if you guys, you could check out Junebug's store, and she's I think a pretty new. I mean, she's got 132 feedback, but she's a pretty new seller. Yep, that's her. Yep. There it is. I recognize her now. Oh, and here's her store. Visit store. Okay, there we go. Hey, Junebug, if you need any help changing this and making a banner, let me give you, for example, what ours looks like. My name is Pat Dees, and obviously, let me show you my store, what we do. So, like, we could make this banner up for you. Pat Dees, from baseball cards to bulldozers. We have sold many items over the last 21 years, and that's true. I've sold something as small as baseball cards, and I sold a bulldozer one time. So this I can change. This is actually, I put this. I actually made some of these where I can change it every day. Every month. I'm sorry. Like that was Thanksgiving. I could put a Christmas one. Been buying and selling. Yeah, I only got like 88 followers, but I only got 173 listings right now. My focus really hasn't been on eBay, but it should be more because the margins and the opportunity are there. But see, we could do something like that for you. And honestly, I could get my son who does graphics in Photoshop. We could do. I mean, we're talking like cheap, not something that well, I got to think about it. Honestly, probably something in the $15-20 range. We could make something that would make it pop out a little bit more and give it a little bit more of a professional look. And I'm not here to sell you on that, so don't worry. And you could basically email me and give me an idea of what you would be looking to do. And we could go back and forth and do like 2 or 3 edits and stuff like that. But you think about it, I mean, whatever, you want to do, if anyone else is watching and that we could do something like that, let me know. My son, I come up with the ideas, but my son does the Photoshop and helps me with thumbnails and different things like that. So let's go back to Junebug's store here. She has 196 items for sale. She got collectibles. Smurfs. Yeah, my name is Patrick. Yep. Bob Ross. I used to be a multi-million-dollar Amazon seller. Now I just ride my tricycle through the desert all day and lose money on bad stock picks. Wow. And what's amazing is if you're using your cell phone in the desert, you got some good coverage because, man, I could be sometimes 10 feet away from the tower and can't get coverage. So you got better. At least you kept your cell phone, buddy. So we got Smurf. She's got Smurf glasses. So she's got a lot of different categories of different things here. So if you guys want to check out her store, please do. And support a fellow reseller. She's got Rubbermaid takeout containers. So she's doing a bunch of different things. Disney. I'm going to look it over later on because I buy things myself. If anyone knows me, I like collector lunch boxes. And I'm sorry if I'm missing any of the chat. If any of you guys are watching over from Money Me, basically we were talking about, just like in the title, eBay stock. And we're featuring some eBay sellers that I am friends with across the YouTube platform. and just trying to help each other out. I own the stock of eBay and bought some call options that tomorrow I'm going to make a nice little chunk of change. Um, but whoever said, yeah, people don't talk about their losses. No, because you don't want to focus on the loss. You got to, hey, I've had months last month where there was a time when COVID happened. Oh, sorry to hear about that, Bob. Keep painting, and if you want to open an eBay store, let me know. I can make up a banner for you, and we can get you back in to normal civilization, and get you making money, get you back on your feet, and maybe I'll bring you on my channel. And we can interview you, and you could talk about that. So I'm up for it. Yeah, tea is great. Yeah, no problem, Keith. Yeah, I talked about eBay, and on the Money Me side of it, I'm going to talk about stocks and things of money. But if you're watching this right now, and this is how people make a living selling on eBay and talking about the stock, and so yeah, you got a lot of different things here. Feels good when you have sales, though, doesn't it? If you guys could give me the thumbs up on and hit that. No, that you're right. You're absolutely right, Keith. And this is why, basically, my interest in eBay is. This is why I talk. I don't talk no more about stocks except on Money Me, and I'm trying to basically gain some subscribers. Hey, Dan. Yes, we do. We do. I do stocks. Currently, right now, the stocks that we're holding is Pfizer, eBay. Um, I own an energy company. We're short Roku. Probably about nine or 10 different companies right now. Yes, of course. Yes, I am talking about stocks and talking about eBay and stuff like that. Again, when I'm on Money Me, I will just be talking about money and stocks and not eBay sales. This is the first time, Keith. This is the first time I'm actually live streaming this from to two platforms. I am on my main page, Pat D's, which is monetized, and I might make $1 off this, and trying to gain new subscribers to go over to Money Me. So sorry for any confusion. I do appreciate you listening and being there. Thank you. Mutual funds, yes. Vanguard. Yeah, hold on. Since I got two streams going here, it's a little bit confusing, I'll be honest. So, no, Connie, you're not getting a wrench. Not getting no wrench. And I don't even know, honestly, I don't even, it says 23 are watching on this channel, but I don't know how many are watching on Money Me. So if you are, I appreciate it. Oh, see, see, Dan's comments are coming from the Money Me channel. So let's go over there and see real quick. And we're gonna sign off here. Now that's okay. Hold on. That's weird. Oh, see, there's only 5 watching over there. So I never know who is on what channel or not. So I appreciate it. There you go. There you go. Okay, so Shrieker, Dan, Dusty, and Arthur are over there. So, and Xavier, you want to go to the moon. So we'll send you to the moon, buddy. So, all right, guys, I appreciate it. If you guys are watching this, I just want to talk about eBay stock real quick. and how it came out, and just basically touch base with our reselling community on my Pat D's page. And no, the wrenches, if in case anybody acts up, just they're cussing, things like that, that you can block them. I do appreciate it. And basically, I want to promote my Money Me channel. Come over and support that if you can. If I have like 2,600 subscribers on the Pat D's channel, and the Money Me's new, and to separate it, I want to do that channel. No problem. I do want to do, like I said, when I hit 1,000 subs on the Money Me channel, I am going to give a free stock certificate. I am doing more content there. More often and stuff like that. And again, the person who mentioned, I'm not interested in being an eBay seller, I completely understand. And this is why I want to do 2 separate channels and talking about this, so not to alienate or confuse people that do watch this. So I do. Who doesn't enjoy making money? And I think, honestly, that's where the potential is to really do more daily content, because there's always news that's coming out. And again, I've actively traded stocks for over 20 years. And I am a landlord and been a bit a restaurant owner and stuff like that. So, but I do appreciate you guys subbing to me and following me. And I'll talk to you guys again. Have a great night.